This is the Cyber-G Pocket guitar. I know you're thinking, that's a guitar? No, it's not. Well, yes, it is, because it unfolds. You see that? Let me do it again. This is the way that it looks, and it unfolds. And here you have a fretboard that they call the chord pad. And we've got the speaker here. On this side, we have a volume control, a power button, and an instrument selection button. It does all those. And on this side, we have a mode button, a USB-C port for charging, and we have a line out and a headphone jack. You can attach the included neck strap here and right here. And I'm going to let you see what it sounds like. So to turn it on, you just hold this button down and you can see that it lit up here. Okay. And that, I think that is as low as we can get the volume. There's a volume dial right here. Hear that? But you can't get it any lower than that. Let me see. That is as low as it goes, unless you want to plug in a headphone jack. All right, so what we can do here is this chord pad. It has 8 rows of 2 buttons, and this bottom row is not a note or anything. So you've got 7 rows of notes. So that'd be 14 notes. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You understand? I don't know if you understand or not, but I'm going to show you. So you can play, but just by touching this. You don't have to press it down really hard. You just touch it. And when you do, I don't know if you can see that real well. Let me see. Look up here. See this LED? You see that it lit up brighter? That means that you have it selected. You barely have to press it. It's not like playing a guitar or a ukulele where you have to really fret it, because there aren't any frets. It's all touch. So you just hold it and then you press this pick right here. It's a lever. See that? So let me turn this up a little bit. Okay, so that is in solo mode. All right, now if you press this little mode button, it will go in the song and play mode. I think I've got that right. Sing and play mode. Okay, so it sounds like. And if you push the lever up, it sounds different. Okay, did you hear that little sound? It sounds like a guitar squeak. Listen. All right, now. That sounds like a guitar. If I press this button right here, it's going to switch to something else. Sounds like a piano, right? Okay. Press it again. Sounds like a flute. Press it again. Back to the guitar. Now, let's go back to the chord. Kind of cool. And I can press this button to switch to a different one. And if we press this button, one of these down here at the bottom, we'll get some rhythm. the idea. So you can do all kinds of stuff with this. All right. Yeah, okay, let's turn that off. All right. So yeah, it's fun to play with. Now you're probably asking, is there anything else it can do? Yes, you can pair this with the Enya Music app. And when you do, there's a songbook, and you can pick out songs, and then the songs will run you through which notes to play, kind of like Rockstar. Remember that? It was Rock Band. Was it called Rock Band or Rockstar? I think it was called Rock Band. Okay, maybe I'm not remembering correctly. You remember you got the big, well, it wasn't big, but you got the plastic guitar and there were frets, and you played the songs, and you had, as they were like going up like a stairway kind of thing. You remember that video game? Well, the app is sort of kind of like that in a way. So you can pick through a bunch of songs that they have. I don't know how many there are. There's at least 20. There's a few dozen, maybe, popular songs and some not so popular songs. And you can play along with them, and you can sing. Now, I don't sing, so I showed you here basically what I can do with it. It's fun. It's fun for kids. It's fun for adults. It's fun for people that don't know how to read music but just want to play music. I mean, you could pick this up in 5 seconds. You're just, having fun with the chords, playing individual notes. You can go back and forth between them just by having your hand down here and pressing this mode button. I mean, you could be playing a chord and then switch to the solo mode, just like this. Let me see that's chord. Okay, so say I'm playing. Then I press that button. I mean, you know what I'm saying? It's fun. It's fun to play around with. Become musical with the Cyber-G Pocket guitar. I think it's fun. It's fun for everybody, kids, adults, whatever. If you like to play music, don't know how to read music, check this out because I really like it.